Welcome to Croxteth Park Miniature Railway, located in the heart of Croxteth Park, Liverpool. Just a short walk from the car park, you can experience the charm of a 7¼ inch railway, offering a unique experience for all ages. Our miniature trains provide a nostalgic and fun-filled adventure through the beautiful landscapes of Croxteth Hall and Country Park. Trains depart from Croxteth Hall Halt and travel clockwise around the circuit. Passing the loco shed and through Crocodile Creek, the train heads towards the original railway tunnel, but not before passing through Ferry Corner. The train then passes through Gnome Garden and over our level crossing before returning back to the station. The railway is themed with vintage railway signs that continue to be added each month. We have a number of locomotives we would love you to meet. Red Dragon, Sir Ian, Bluebell, and King Arthur. The station also has an on-site shop. As well as purchasing train tickets, you can buy railway-related items, footballs, and tennis rackets. Trains run every weekend, from February to the end of October, 11 a.m. until 4 p.m., plus bank holidays. Tickets are priced at £2.50 per person per ride on the train. Whilst visiting the railway, why not take the opportunity to check out what the park has to offer? Set in 500 acres of stunning parkland, you can visit the historic home of the late Earl of Sefton. See how they lived, both upstairs and downstairs. Or maybe discover the hidden beauty of Croxteth Walled Garden. A chance to learn, relax, and reconnect with nature. If visiting with children, take advantage of the children's play park and visit the on-site farm. Get yourself a hot drink or maybe an ice cream. Croxteth Country Park has plenty to offer. So don't miss out. Come and meet the team and ride a train at Croxteth Park Miniature Railway. You won't be disappointed.